Good morning, welcome to today's video. So today is December 19th, it's a Sunday. It is 1, Andrew's birthday, 2, the day before we leave to go back to Ohio, and 3, yes, I'm doing the eye patches again. I really like them. Welcome to a pack with me for going back to Ohio for 2 full weeks. I have not started. Andrew, being the packing wizard he is, well, I guess just organized person in general, is already done packing fully. I don't know if you can see that, but everything is packed. And I have nothing packed. So I'm not even gonna try and give you my tips about packing. I'm gonna give you Andrew's tips for packing that I stole, that I use realistically. Because Andrew's all into like the packing cubes and all that stuff. I'm different. I do try and pack a little smarter. I try and pack smart for going home for this long because it is a long time and I am gonna do a lot of different activities, but I don't want to bring a million things. So let's pack together and I'll show you what I do.
Lies.
What'd you say?
Lies.
Lies about what?
You don't pack smart.
I do!
You pack like a dum-dum.
Show yourself.
No, I'm ready.
Well, Andrew, are you gonna send me your list?
Yep.
That's what I was gonna ask for. Tip 1, I'll put this list in the description bar, but Andrew makes this list and how he packs every single trip. So it is like 2:18 now. I have still not packed anything.
Oh my goodness.
But we have the list on my phone of what to pack according to Andrew. We're gonna go through it now.
Let us go through it.
Let us go through it. Packing for 2 weeks, can do laundry. That's the top of the list. Toiletries, regular shoes, shoehorn.
I like packing my shoehorn. Don't bend the back of your shoes. Take care of the things you own.
Chargers, iPad, technology, laptop, notebooks, etc. 4 pairs of shorts, workout. So I'm gonna change that to leggings.
But you're gonna pack 4D pairs of leggings. Not
4D.
4 or 14.
4 pairs of leggings. I think we need to do 6.
You're gonna pack way more than 6. You wear 2 leggings a day.
That's true. Okay. Maybe this will actually be helpful. So I have hangout leggings and I have workout leggings and they usually don't intercross. But for sake of this, I might try and intercross. We'll see. Okay, 2 nice shirts if needed. Workout / running shoes. 4 regular shorts. 2 regular, let's say, jeans. 4 workout shirts, let's say 7 workout shirts, 7 socks, puffer jacket. Gosh, nice jacket. 7 underwear, packing cubes or mini bags. We're just gonna take that one out. Hoodie / jacket, multi-use wear on plane. 7 to 9 shirts, jeans and belt. I don't wear belts. 2 pairs of commission pants. Button up long sleeve, okay. I'm gonna change this to dress. And then nice shirt. Okay, so that is our packing list for now. We'll see if we add anything else to it. Okay, it always looks worse before it gets better, right?
It gets worse before it gets.
So we got some socks, bras, underwear, nicer clothes. We got workout leggings, hangout leggings, workout shirts, sweatshirt, my big old suitcase, gifts that we're bringing, books. We're working through it. How you feeling?
Figuring it out.
Nice. So what I ended up packing was 2 pairs of jeans. And by I mean me packing, Andrew's obviously doing it. Our gifts for Christmas. Then I packed 6 pairs of hangout leggings, 6 pair of leggings to work out in. Yes, they are different. Then I packed 1 pair of boots that can go either way, casual or more dressed up. 1 pair of workout shoes, which are great for running and lifting. These are the Adidas Ultra Boosts. Then I packed 6 sports bras, as well as 3 different sweatshirts. Then I packed 6 nice shirts or casual shirts, 3 different sweaters, some that can go over other shirts. And then I packed workout shirts, 6 of those, as well, 2 pairs of pajamas, 2 pairs of sweatpants, 1 New Year's Eve dress, and my Lululemon Sherpa that I've been wearing non-stop. And that is it for 2 weeks. We are able to do laundry where we're going, so that does help out of not having to bring one for every single day of the entire trip. The moment of truth.
All right, so we have 2 back. What's your guys' guess on the weight? You guys have to do Storage Wars kind of vibes, only looking, no touching.
All right, let me look. Yeah,
What's your guess, Lydia?
45 pounds.
45?
That's what I was thinking, actually.
It's just close.
I was 38 or 40.
Wait, let Alex guess.
$1, Bob. Oh wait, he's gonna guess.
Let me get deciding. I said.
43.
43.
We got room to spare, people. Hello and welcome to our kitchen, because while I am now done packing all my clothing and stuff like that, I also do bring like supplements and stuff when we go on long trips. So I was gonna show you what I was gonna bring and bring you along the journey. So we got some protein bars for the plane tomorrow. We just love bringing our own snacks so we don't have to buy as many, and so we have healthy options. A bunch of bars that we'll also end up eating throughout the trip sometime. Then you would have seen in a few videos ago, I bought a bunch of samples from Propel Life because I wanted to travel with like my pre-workout and protein and stuff like that, but obviously I'm not bringing like the big canisters or anything like that, so I have a ton of samples and I can't figure out how I want to store them. I was thinking I could put them like in a shaker like this, but that's only gonna work for like not as many as I have. Those are super nice to travel with. And then
Hey, video.
so I have more Propel Life samples, but I need to give these samples away to people because they donated them to us. So
Well, we've given a lot away already, but those are just some extra.
these are extras, but I would love to give them away. So if you want a Propel Life sample, genuinely message me on Instagram and I will mail this to you. We're gonna bring some green juice, some immunity. You know, getting sick is not fun. Do you want to bring some nuns, babe?
Actually, that'll be good. I'm gonna start.
Nuns.
Let's bring this flavor too. Oh, it's great.
Then also I got this Beam Dream sample, which is kind of like what I have in the Organifi Gold, except for it has, so this is what I normally take as like a nighttime relaxing thing, but this has CBD and melatonin in it. This just has magnesium in it, and they're little sample packets. So sometimes I have trouble sleeping in unfamiliar places, so I figured I'd bring these just to be able to sleep well. And yeah, and then I think the last thing is I bought this balance powder from Alani Nu, because it's supposed to help with your hormones, brighten your skin, clear your complexion. And I've been trying to take it every day. This is a 30-day supply just to see if it actually works. And in all honesty, so far, my skin has been the worst it's ever been in a long time. I don't know, I can't fully blame it on this. Look at that face. My skin has been the worst it's ever been. And I've like, this is really TMI, but my boobs have been feeling really sensitive and really sore. And also TMI, I don't get a period because of the birth control I'm on. So yeah, I'm not gonna blame this, but if I'd have to, I'm gonna keep taking it and see if it's just something else. But as of right now, it's not doing its job. It feels like it's doing the opposite job. Dude. Thank you. It's doing the opposite,
This should work.
But I can't just blame it. But that's been like the only major thing I've changed in my routine lately. So I don't know. I'm not saying. But I normally don't break out, but I have this zit, I had a zit right here, as you would have seen a few videos ago, and like, my boobs just hurt so much. And it's supposed to balance your hormones, so maybe my hormones, I don't know. I don't actually know that much about hormone health.
So much uncertainty.
Oh, we can't forget these. These are a lifesaver for...
Do we have to check a separate bag for all of these supplements?
Basically. These are a lifesaver to just help your digestive system when you eat things you don't normally eat. I love them.